Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the BMW X1. And you already know that the car comes with the standard system that has no such a center console like this. It doesn't have the center console iDrive like this. It doesn't have the screen. It just only have very small Garmin BMW screen something. And at this moment the system is already updated with the high level full package wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto 10.2-inch LED screen setup for the BMW X1. So this one too in 11 X1, and it now can run beautifully wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto with the new high resolution reverse camera anti-glare super night vision fit at the same factory place at the tailgate area. And yeah, on the screen you're seeing is wireless Android Auto, and it is running beautifully with our Android phone stay right here. And you can see all the function from the steering, they will works, and the factory radio over here, it also works well. You can select audio option and go USB, turn or CD, line normal, and the new system is running nicely into the one. So all of the factory setup over here still stay and working very well. And more of the thing is, on the setup here you have the new iDrive system fit like this for the new system, so it looks really cool. It looks really cool and works really nice. Okay, that's what I'm doing now with the menu. And yeah, that's the way it is, and very easy to use from here, that you can scrolling and doing like that. And now talking about the reverse camera, quickly come out, I can show how actually it is. So here we go. This is the one that reverse camera stay right at the same factory open spot for the tailgate, and the new camera high-end stayed there. And certainly the camera will satisfy, because it actually has the dynamic steering wheel guidelines, and it has screen on the top like this, and it's very high detailed. That's about the system we fit. And yep, we also have two other USB port that we fit right here, under this section over here in this pocket storage beautifully. So all good. And yeah, we would like to say thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one. We will have another one on the Apple CarPlay review in this car. Thank you.